Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. MyFitnessPal is a popular website and mobile app that helps users track their diet and exercise. It boasts a massive food database, allowing you to easily log your meals and snacks. You can also connect with friends for support and motivation. While the free version offers many features, the premium subscription unlocks additional tools and insights. The platform's core function is calorie counting. You set a daily calorie goal, and the app helps you stay within your target. It breaks down your macronutrient intake, protein, carbohydrates, and fats, and provides detailed nutritional information. MyFitnessPal seamlessly integrates with various fitness trackers and apps, further enhancing its tracking capabilities. This allows for a comprehensive overview of your health and fitness progress. Beyond calorie tracking, MyFitnessPal offers recipe logging and meal planning features. You can create custom recipes or import them from other websites. The meal planning function assists with creating balanced meals and staying organized throughout the week. For those seeking guidance and structure, the app provides access to pre-made meal plans and workout routines. Moreover, MyFitnessPal fosters a sense of community. You can connect with friends, family, or other users to share your journey and receive encouragement. The platform also features forums where you can ask questions, share tips, and connect with individuals who have similar goals. This community aspect can be a powerful motivator and provide valuable support. MyFitnessPal offers a barcode scanner, making food logging quick and convenient. Simply scan the barcode of a packaged food item, and the nutritional information will be automatically added to your log. This feature saves time and effort, especially when dealing with processed foods. While MyFitnessPal is a valuable tool for many, it's important to remember that calorie counting isn't for everyone. It's crucial to listen to your body and prioritize a healthy relationship with food. If you find calorie counting stressful or triggering, exploring alternative approaches to health and wellness may be beneficial. Ultimately, MyFitnessPal is a powerful resource, but its effectiveness depends on individual needs and preferences.